Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Technomaster, and in this video I have a fantastic application for you with the help of which nobody can able to open any of the application of your phone. Yes, most of the time your girlfriend or your family members normally know the password of your phone or your applications. But what if your password automatically get changed in every 1 minute? Yes, then nobody can able to open any of the application. With this application, once you set any password on any application, this password will automatically get changed in every 1 minute. Yes, it's possible now with this application. In this video, I am gonna tell you every single step how this application works and what settings are required. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to Google Play Store and look for an application called Ultralock. This is the application I was talking about, and it has 4.4 rating, along with that more than 500 downloads already done. So I am gonna click on open and open this application. First of all, it will ask you for the password. You have to set a new password and then click on this icon here. Then again set the password again. Now this is the interface which you will be getting when you set all the password for this application. Now you have to click on this grant on the top and allow all the permissions to this application. Allow all the permissions one by one. Now you can select any of the application. Let's suppose if I select WhatsApp here, the moment I click on WhatsApp, it will automatically get locked. Now the most important setting which you can do, you can click on three lines which is on the right side of the top and then click on settings. Here there is an option of lock type. Click on this one. You can select any password for any application here. Let's suppose I select this one, hours and minute pin. Now come out of this application and go to your phone screen. Here whenever you click on this WhatsApp, it will automatically get locked. But what would be the password? The password would be your timing, your minutes and your hours. This means it will be 0947. But now the time is 0948. If I open any application again, then again I have to put the password is 0948, not 0947. The password will automatically get changed the moment the time will get changed. So in every minute the password of your application will automatically get changed and nobody can able to find it what exactly the password you have set it for this application. So this application is really amazing. You should try this application. If you have any question about it, you can simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.